What's up, y'all? We back cooking with Key. Y'all already know. We about to cook some homemade hamburger helper, I guess. So yeah, I got my 2 things of ground beef. I put it in here. And then we're going to season it. Season it. Y'all, I just found out about this. Don't knock me. Hey, listen. A little bit of that. Listen, I like that. You can season your food how you want to season. I'm going to season my food how I season it. Okay? Alright, a little onion powder. Onion powder. Natural season. Not too much of this stuff though. Not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit. Not too much. A little bit of garlic paste. A little bit of dash. Original blend. Then y'all already know I like some salsa. Booyah. Then after that, I don't know how y'all cook y'all's, but I always like to add me a little bit of liquid smoke into my meat. Y'all do what y'all do, but this is exactly what I do. Then now, I'm going to just get a plastic bag. Y'all do how y'all do. Y'all get gloves. And I'm going to just mix this all up. Alright, now I got my meat cooking. I just put it in the pot. Now I'm finna just let it do what it do. Yeah. I got my noodles cooking in a little chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, and olive oil. And just let that cook. Then I got my meat over here cooking, looking good, smelling good. I love the way liquid smoke make your meat smell. That's why I say 10 out of 10 definitely recommend liquid smoke. How you make your meat smell and taste, so that's why I love it. Put that cap on and let that cook some more. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I done added, so I only had 1 jar of freaking sauce. So I added in some heavy whipping cream and cheese. And baby, that's gonna stretch that sauce and make it real creamy. Make it real creamy. Yeah, you see that? Make it just how you like it. Real nice and cheesy and creamy. Now I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit. Then we'll be back. Quick and easy meal, voila. So good. Here we go. Yes. Looks so good. Scrum dilly yum yum. So perfect.